Hey, we're back with another trending offers for June here at ClickBank. I'm joined again with my reluctant friend, Michael.
I'm very reluctant today. I'm feeling hesitant and nervous.
I love it. He's pulled the top trending offers. And Michael, would you just remind everyone listening, what is a trending offer on ClickBank?
A trending offer versus, say, our top offers that we feature. Trending is something that we think is heading in that direction. So it's going to be on our top board of top 80 or so of offers that do 40 or 1,000 or more in a month. And we're starting to see that trajectory of them catching steam. So,
Nice. Okay.
So that's what we're looking for, is for those beginning steps that are heading in the right direction.
And why would an affiliate be interested in promoting a trending offer versus one of those top ones?
That's a good question.
I know.
Oh, man. The reason they would want one of these is your list has never seen anything like these before. It is new. It is special. It is the untouched country of offers. And you can get great conversion rates off of these because they have not been seen before. So you might be able to get higher than normal conversion rates once these get some more traffic on there. They've seen people see them promoted in other places. So you're the first ones.
I like it. Yeah, that makes a ton of sense. Well, let's dive in. I will start. We've got 5 here for you. And the first one is from a good friend of mine. This is Vision 20, Best Vision Support. This is from Zenith Labs. It's a great supplement offer. I believe this is hidden. This 136 option's hidden, but it's for a vision supplement. It's actually created in tandem with this doctor, Mr. Dr. Ryan Shilton. And yeah, the things you'll expect to see with a good supplement offer here. Tons of testimonials. You'll see like 15 pages of testimonials people can click through. Good label. And then, of course, there's the long form lander they've got here, which is, just a prettied up version of their VSL just for long form. It's an exit pop from the video. Yeah, if you want to kind of jump to that. So, and then this is their affiliate lander, where they've got quite a few other offers as well. This is the top one they've got coming onto ClickBank. And it's, it's a trending offer for us, but I know this offer's been out there in the wild other places, and it's done very well. So I'd say if you haven't promoted Vision 20 yet, jump on it. It's got an EPC rating of $1.25 across the board. Initials at 86 cents. Yeah, $1.25 is pretty strong. An AOV of $118, and an affiliate payout right in that $70 range. So
yeah, that's tracking nice.
Yeah, it's doing pretty well, and yeah, refund rates are just fine right now and all that good stuff. So it's converting well, paying out well, all kinds of good stuff.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, then I will go to our number 4 trending offer here, and we're going to go with Alpha Extra. And Alpha Extra is an erectile dysfunction focused product. You are going to see it is a supplement. It has a lander here, no VSL currently at this time, but it's in very much the informational way of looking at it. And it's going to give all the benefits. Right down here, you're going to see the supplements. It's a 136. $69 is starting out for it, and then you're going to be able to see the value, and it's really positioning that 6 bottle as the way you want to go. As far as what we're seeing on our end, it is tracking for an initial EPC of close to $1. You're seeing EPCs total of $1.20, which is really good. I really like the AOV. The AOV right now is tracking at $167. The payout value is at 86. I would like to see that higher, but that tells me that, hey, there's room for affiliates to really to grow, not to make a pun, and platinum with the platinum affiliates and the affiliates who are running this in general. There aren't very many people who are on this right now. So I would definitely start promoting this offer, and the conversion rate is great. It's at it's 1.25%, which is about where we see conversion rates land when it comes to our top offers.
Yeah, I was going to say, just looking at all of these, looks like we bounce between 1 to 2%, right, depending on the offer. So
yes,
yeah, that's right in a healthy range there. Well, next up for me is Flexo Bliss.
Ooh.
Yeah. Feel bliss in your flex.
Oh, so man. I'm in the clouds.
One simple way to maintain a healthy back.
Ooh.
Yeah. Which, as we know from other offers on the platform, back offers can do really well. So, and this is, as we're scrolling through, this is actually a supplement. It's not a digital kind of stretching one. It's actually a supplement to help with, I assume, kind of keeping your back in check. So
I would think about those people who have run Hype Stretch in the past.
Yep.
This would
or Lark's offer, right? Yep.
Yes.
If you've got a list that's been built off a bit of that, or if those two offers have done well with you, then yeah.
Oh yeah.
Throw this one in there, because we're seeing here, $69 for the single bottle, $59 for the 3, $49 with the total cart value of the $294 there, which is getting some good stats. Honestly, EPC's in the 86 cents range right now. Initial AOVs coming in at $202. That means they're doing a great job at anchoring with that 6 bottle price, so that $294 compared to the $177 for the 3 there. So they're getting a nice average cart value out of that. Affiliate payouts coming out at $115 range.
Wow.
So it's I think we'll see this one climbing up
stellar.
the charts. Yeah. That's doing just fine. No affiliate tools page for this one yet. Like we mentioned, these are fairly new offers, so sometimes you don't always have them. But you'll see that it's pretty built out pretty well.
Yeah. For the vendors out there, even though your offer is new, put an affiliate tools page out there.
Please.
It's really good. Mm-hmm. It's nice because it allows the affiliates who are watching this right now just to really get an idea of how to angle swipes, add all of that. So moving into number 2 is one that has been featured in the past, like a few months ago, but it seems like they've optimized and it's really ready to take hold, and that is MitoBoost. Mitochondria. MitoBoost. MitoBoost. Okay. So MitoBoost is a supplement. It's the trick your brain to pee out pounds of fat each morning. So we have coming into this, they have a great testimonial starting out front with, "Hi, I'm Ben Robertson," and telling how they had trouble losing weight and their story. And then right down here, you're going to get to the supplement. It is the 136 model, starting out at $49 a bottle, and then starting out at $69 a bottle and going down to $49 a bottle with the 6. And it is, the stats for me are telling a really good story. Right now, EPCs are almost to $2. The initial is $1.50. Okay. That is great for people who are looking to for paid traffic, trying to make up the difference on that. The average order value is $214. Just dang.
Pretty good.
Average payout value $119.53. It's really good, and the conversion rate is right where we want to see it, above that 1% on a dietary supplement. Yeah, this one is. I think it's ready. I think this one is ready, because when we talked about it before, it had all those signs, and then when it took a bit more traffic.
Yeah, we had featured this one before.
Yeah, when it took some traffic, it just wasn't quite there. Now it's tracking even better than it was before, and it has more people on it. So I would say, yeah, it's time to take a look at that and see what it can do with your traffic.
I love it. Yeah, definitely jump on MitoBoost.
Yes.
And then I've got the privilege of topping it off with the top trending offer?
Top trending offer. Number 1.
This is Time Factor Fat Loss. Ooh. Time Factor Fat Loss. I can say that 4 times in a row.
Time Factor Fat Loss.
I love to see this one pop up. I helped onboard this one ages ago. They've been kind of slowly testing it through the ages. And the guy who built this, he's almost wrote the book on the modern day upsell flow.
Really?
Without actually writing a book, right? But like a lot of people follow his upsell flow.
We have a product for if he wants to write a book on it.
Yeah, we should work with him on that, right? But it's great, right? Take 1 teaspoon of slim sugar each morning. Watch your belly fat melt away. This is like a great example, a little pattern interrupt on the front end. Like, how could eating sugar help you lose fat, right? It gets you kind of hooked into the VSL
nice
here.
hook.
Yeah, it's got a nice VSL. Again, you probably, if you're coming to this page for the first time, you won't necessarily see these bottles. I've just been here before, so I'm cookied, so they show it to me, so it's easy to buy. And they've got the 136 kind of supplement weight loss offer format going through here, which is backing out to a $2.21 EPC, which is real good.
That's nice.
Yeah, AOV backing out at $155 with paying out affiliates gosh, just north of $80. So it's coming in very lucrative, I'd say. Yeah. So, and like we can see, like a conversion rate right under 2%. I think it's got the highest conversion rate of the 5 we're featuring. So you might go, oh, well, $80 versus 120 on the last offer, but the conversion rates are supporting that, right? So yeah, you're going to get a higher.
Yeah, they're booing that, and you're going to be able to get paid out faster. Yeah. That one, to me, looks like the most ready out of all of them. And it's right on the cusp of entering into what we would say is like the criteria to be a top offer. And so, yeah, that is definitely one to promote and get in on the ground floor before
it gets too overly saturated, you might say.
Yeah, I would say so.
I'd say that with all these top offers. And again, click on the link in the description below to our top offers blog post where links to these offers will be featured, how to get promoting them, all that kind of good stuff. Take the first crack at them. Any last words, Michael?
Knock it out of the ballpark.
We go back to baseball lingo again. Yeah.
It's summertime, man.
Yeah, it's jorts weather, right? Yeah.
Yep. Jorts.
Sweet. Well, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions about these offers, which ones you're excited to promote. Let's get rocking and rolling. Happy scaling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.
Peace.